Hi everyone, welcome back. Friends, during the lockdown period, I tried to grow some vegetables with the seeds from my kitchen only, and I'm very happy as many of them are doing great. So I thought I should share this wonderful experience with you. So let's see what all has been growing on my terrace.
Friends, look at these tiny plants of melon. I just cleaned the seeds of melon with the help of water which we brought home and put some of those in this pot. And see, so many seeds sprouted. This is the biggest one, and these two are smaller than this one. And here are two more, the very tiny ones. And friends, this is a small plant of watermelon. This also is growing fast and bright. And this is a plant of tomato. Friends, I didn't put any tomato seeds here, but I guess this came up from the home compost which I used to nourish the soil of this pot. You can see how pleasingly it's blooming, and notice the flowers which have also started coming on this. I don't know when tomatoes will grow on it, but surprisingly my old tomato plants are still giving tomatoes. Are you also surprised to see tomatoes on my tomato plants? Every day 3 or 4, and sometimes I get 5 tomatoes from it. See, this branch is 90% dry, but still tomato is there. I know after this it will all get dry, but perhaps this tomato plant kept on producing tomatoes for so long because of the natural pesticides and fertilizers I nourish it with regularly. And friends, this is another pot where I put some more seeds during lockdown period. Here I put some cucumber, watermelon and green chili seeds. And I feel so happy to see that they are growing nicely. This is a plant of cucumber. Out of so many seeds, only one sprouted, and you can see here saplings of green chili. And one seed of watermelon also sprouted and is showing good growth, isn't it? I'll let the cucumber and watermelon plant in this pot only, but I'll shift these chili plants to separate pots because I have experienced that if you let your chilies grow in the same space where their seeds sprout, the size of the chilies remain small. And if you shift these to separate pots after they have grown around 2 to 2.5 inches tall, the chilies grow tall and straight. Here I wish to show you a clip of 28th April when I sowed the seeds of cucumber and chilies in this pot. I separated a cucumber from the vegetables I brought and let it ripe. After 2 or 3 days, I took out the seeds of cucumber and let them dry on a napkin. I kept those on the napkin for 2 days and then put those seeds in half part of this pot, and in another half I put chili seeds which had also dried because of being in this container for 2-3 days. I covered all the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water lightly. Even though only one cucumber plant has sprouted, but I am still happy as so many other plants are doing great. And in this pot, 3 seeds of watermelon sprouted, and now you can see that all 3 are looking healthy. Friends, just the seeds which we throw as waste are coming up, and I am very hopeful that they will produce good fruit as well. And here, this pot where only coco peat and my home compost was filled up, I put some green chili seeds. One of them sprouted, and this tiny plant of pomegranate also showed up. I think the seed of pomegranate sprouted from my home compost only, as I didn't put any seed of pomegranate here. And friends, see here, 2 more plants of cucumber are coming up and doing really great. Whenever I come up to my terrace and watch these plants growing well, I feel delighted. In spite of very busy schedule during lockdown, as my house help was not coming, I could do all this and now can see the result of that hard work I put in. And friends, here you can see these 2 plants of small gourd, kachri as we call it at home. They are really growing beautifully, and see how long these vines have become, and you can see flowers also coming on these. And before I sign out, I wish you I wish to give you an update on my capsicum plants. Friends, I brought these plants down from my terrace around a fortnight ago because of very high temperature. The temperature then used to soar up to 38 degrees Celsius, and capsicum plant is unable to fruit if it remains in temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. And here it's bearing a number of capsicums. Friends, that's all for today. I hope you liked the effort done by me during the lockdown period, and if the answer is yes, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you feel I bring good stuff, and you can share this with your friends who you feel can be benefited by watching this. So bye friends. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.